In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate sections within a Google form based on the answers provided by respondents. This technique can help in creating dynamic forms that guide the user through different questions or sections depending on their previous responses. Let's dive into the process. First, head over to Google Drive by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Drive website. Once there, look towards the left corner of your screen and click on the New button. This action will open up a menu with various options for creating new files. Among these options, you'll find Google Forms. Click on it to launch a new form. If you're starting afresh, select the option for a blank form. This will allow you to craft your form entirely from scratch, offering full flexibility in designing your questions and sections. Name your form to give it an identity. This could be the title or subject of the form you're creating. Once you've done this, it's time to add your first question. Click on the Add Question icon on the right hand side. Choose multiple choice as the response type. This is crucial as it enables the dynamic flow between different sections based on the selected answer. Now it's time to add sections. Sections in Google Forms work like chapters in your form, allowing you to separate different sets of questions. Click on the Add Section button, which you'll find on the toolbar on the right hand side as well. You can utilize these sections to put sub-questions or separate categories of queries. Once the sections are in place, take advantage of the functionality to edit them as needed. With your sections ready, the next step is to configure questions to direct respondents to the correct sections. Locate the question that will act as a determiner for the path the user will follow. To the right of this question, click on the three vertical dots, then select Go to Section based on answer. When selected, this feature gives you a drop-down menu next to each answer choice. Here you can select which section the user should be directed to if they choose a particular response. This setup ensures that respondents will navigate to the section most relevant to their answer, allowing for personalized interaction with your form. After setting up your sections and tailoring the questions appropriately, click on Preview to see how your form looks and works. This step allows you to make any necessary adjustments before publishing. Once satisfied with how everything functions, go ahead and publish your form, and there you have it, the steps to guide users to different sections in your Google form based on their responses. This powerful feature will not only make your forms more engaging, but also ensure that respondents are only required to fill out sections pertinent to them.